wonderful, wonderful good morning, guys. Guess what? We're on our way home, sweet home now. Stayed at this Motel 6 over here. Yeah. Wife got herself some coffee.
I need to wake up.
Yeah, just had a shower. We got the interstate right over there. Some beautiful sunrise. So now we're gonna go over there to Wallyland, go get a few things. And then probably start making our way towards Minneapolis. We're probably only 45 minutes at the most away from Minneapolis. So yeah, it's not the best place to stay at for overnight, but we needed just a place to sleep and get going, right? So yeah. Anyways, let's go to Walmart, get a few things, and then hit the road. All right, guys, we got out of Walmart, and we decided, you know what? I'm gonna go pull into this Quick Trip up here. I know some people aren't a big fan of Denny's, but I don't mind this one here. I have been here for years and years. I've been coming to this particular location here at exit 28 in Wisconsin. So I said to the wife, I like to go pull in here and get some breakfast done. So here we are. Beautiful sunny day today.
Finally, no windy.
Yeah, not windy. So let's go in and have some breakfast. I think it's good to do that once in a while. What do you think there, sweetheart? Is it looking good? I haven't thrown them yet. Yeah. Whoa. What do you got there? Some sort of pancakes with strawberry.
Strawberries.
Holy smokes. Some sausages, bacon, and eggs. Well, let's check out what I got up here. I got some eggs, hash browns, some onions, and a toast. A really nice T-bone steak and some coffee. Yummy. We're gonna have some good breakfast, I tell you that much. to leave the Denny's restaurant slash truck stop. Yeah, we had us a good breakfast. I think it was good anyways. What do you think there, lady?
Very, very good.
That's what I figured. Oh, looks like they're hiring. Yeah, so if you're looking for a job, you can find a job here if you're from in this area, I guess. And desperate for a job or whatever, then hey, they're hiring over here apparently. I have stayed at this truck stop many, 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 many times.
Good old memories, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't even need a GPS up in this area because I'm so used to driving this area. I know exactly where to go. You're cutting it a little close there for the corners. Anyhow, here we go.
They're in a rush for breakfast, I guess, too.
I guess so, yeah. Now it's time for us to hit Minneapolis. Hopefully by now the traffic has calmed down a bit and we won't have too much of a traffic jam. So wish us luck, I guess. We probably got a good, probably 8.5, 9 hour drive yet, but that's all right. We'll hammer down. They got good speed limits up here. And it looks like it's not quite as windy anymore as it was on our way down. So here we go. Let's go and get down to Fargo. We do want to make a pit stop there. We got a flag to deliver up there, meaning a flag from Paraguay that we want to drop off at the Air Museum in Fargo. Those of you guys that watched that video from back in January when we went there, you can watch the tour of that air show. Really, really, really nice up there.
Not air show, air museum.
I mean, Air Museum, all the airplanes, that's what I was trying to say. And they had flags hanging on the ceiling, and the Paraguay flag was not there. So I asked them about it. They said it was on donation base only. So I said, you know what? Let me get a Paraguay flag and I'll donate it to them. So that's my plan. So when we get there, I'll donate that flag to them. And
thank you, sis, for sending us the flag.
yeah, exactly. Bringing us one. I requested it when my sister came and visited us here in the summer. And so yeah, we'll go donate that and then probably go make one more pit stop at the Mexican restaurant because we really don't have any really good Mexican restaurants in our area. So we'll have a really good late lunch, I guess you could call it. And then hammer down home. I gotta be back at work and the wife as well tomorrow.
Maybe we find a good spot to fly the drone.
Yeah, we'll see. There's still some beautiful colors up here yet. Oh, there's a guy with a motorcycle on there, huh? It's not a Harley though. I don't think so. But yeah, anyways, hammer down time. Well guys, we are crossing or are about to cross the river or whatever you want to call this.
St. Croix River.
Yeah, so there we go. So it is a river going into Minnesota. Hey, I remember we have crossed this so many times, probably a couple of thousand times, and I see the chicken coop has got the flashing lights on. We don't have to go in. Yeah, I like it. Look at that. Lights are flashing. All the trucks are going to have to go into the scale. Say, I remember I used to be a long-haul truck driver and I would have to go in here. Not today, Jose. I love it. I can just hammer down and go past them. Don't have to pull in and
Not to worry about overweight.
yeah, or any logbook violations or anything like that. See, the other trucks are going in. Mind you, with the company I was at, Penner International, towards the end, they did have a bypass system in the Qualcomm system or satellite system, and a lot of times I would get the bypass up here, so you know I didn't always have to go in towards the end, but They are there. That's a pretty big scale. I've actually gotten inspected here once, at least. I remember that. And it was just a regular inspection, nothing. They didn't come out and go under the truck or anything like that. But yeah, I've been in there many, many times. And right after that, you got a rest area. Yeah.
Need to take a rest from
From the DOT stress. Yeah, exactly, right? Usually if you do your job correctly, you usually don't have anything to worry about. Yeah, there is some, there's always a bad apple in there somewhere, but as long as you do your job correctly, you shouldn't have to worry about anything. Unless you get a bad apple there, right? So
unless they had a bad day, they yell at you, right?
Yeah, exactly. Well, they shouldn't be yelling at you. That's not professional. But like I said, most of them are really good people. I've dealt with many DOTs, and they're real good people. And especially the older ones. The younger ones, they can be a little bit uptight. They want to prove to their boss that they can do the job and whatnot, right? But all the older ones, they're real good, They know what they're doing, and they can tell whether you're up to no good or whatever, But anyhow, we'll see how Minneapolis traffic will be here in just a bit. Not too many more miles and we'll hit the 694, go up the northbound way. I was looking at it there a little while ago and it looked pretty good. Doesn't look like it was too much of a traffic jam yet, so I think we should be good to go.